Right now, we are enjoying 2 locations with the D13 system right now. I thought it was really something from out of Star Trek, honestly, and I didn't know where it was going to go because, again, my untrained eye did not know enough about the technology. But now knowing about it, I think it was a great decision to make. It's very cutting edge. And I think here we're sitting in a real landmark, grand old lady of the student branch. When you put new technology into it and say, this is really cool, especially with the LED and all that fancy good stuff going on. And you know, more and more you go around the marketplace around the country, especially airports and casinos, you see that technology within the bathrooms. It's going, wow, it's becoming more acceptable. With the new restaurants coming up, with the new technology, with the HEPAs, it's just a good blend into our industry. It's all touchless, soap, wash, dry. Now you eliminate the seafold towels. You know, there's no trash around the bathrooms anymore. You might be blowing water onto my floors, and then you get a slippery situation. Then the yellow signs come up, slippery when wet. So we don't have any of that problem. We rarely have a service issue. Once we did, I think on one occasion, they were right on top of it. It's a cleaner operation. It's a neater operation, very efficient. It was great working with the D13 team. They made it really effortless for us. And you know, from conceptual drawings in the early beginnings to really the finished product and sign off on it, and then installation when they came in, it was great. D13 really delivered what they said they did and beyond. And the consumer loves it because, you know, some of the consumers are not witness or don't see that from traditional sink systems. They come out of it and goes, I really like your bathrooms. And you know what? And that sends a great message, because if they like the bathrooms, we did our job, because now they're talking about our bathrooms. So I can't wait to put the next one in.